Okay, so there's a couple of things on this task that you did here where you went to Price Checker 2 and you pulled these brands. So I need you to change up a few things. So first of all, on the Price Checker 2, what you need to do is there's a couple of settings that you need to do. So yeah, there's a couple of things I need you to put in your settings that you need to do. So marketplace setup, currencies, data columns. Okay, so there's a few you don't have. One of them is this one right here. Let me find it here. Okay, so this is one of them. Inventory, how many? And I will show you after I run it what that brings up. The other one you want to run is major brand. So you need to put those in there. So um, I will show you, because let me show you what happened here, okay? So like here's Bravada, and these are not all Bravado brands. So let me click on this. You'll see this is Beamoso, so that should have been taken out. And there's an easy way to do that when you pick this major brand thing here. All right, so let's go back over here. Gonna run this, and um, it may not run that. So Bravado. Now let's try it. So check page for products, and when you do this, what I need you to do is do that and grab all the variations and then hit start. And I'm going to pause it now. All right. So here we are with um, the uh, scan after for Price Checker 2. Now it does take a lot longer when you hit all variations, but that's what I need you to do. Now hit open results. And now, so a couple of things you're going to want to do here is, so it's not major brand. You have to have brand marked off. So major brand doesn't even matter. In fact, we don't even need that one. So what you need to do is when you go to settings, um, what you need to do is brand. There it is, right there. That needs to be over here. You probably have it over here now. So remove it like I just did, but you can actually go here, and then I'm adding it back over there. Now, what you want to do is with the brand, this is where we're going to take out everything that, all that extra stuff. So the brand is Bravado. So all we're going to do is we're just going to sort this. And so this is not Bravado. A pea in the pod, none of this is Bravado. So it brought up a bunch of stuff that it shouldn't have. So here's where we're going to take it out. So Bravado, there we go. So now delete that out. And now this Bravado Designs, I'm not really sure if that's part of Bravado. And if you're not sure, leave it there and I always can take it out. It looks like it is. So it looks like it is part of it. So I would leave that. So Bravado Designs. This is all Bravado Designs. All right, so that's the end of Bravado Designs. So now we go after that, and we're going to go to the bottom and take out everything else. And that's it. Now this is all Bravado. So now what you would do is, send it to me like this. Actually, when you do send it to me, sort it this way, because Amazon is seller, but actually do it where it shows it, so I can see like how many are there. So now I know 95 out of 1,000 listings are Bravado Designs. So that's pretty much it. The other thing I showed you that was important that wasn't on there was this right here. So when I look at when I go on the spreadsheet, I want to be able to click on here and have this show up, and that way I can look at prices and you know and also see who else is on it, see if Amazon is on it. So like I said, very important. You got to put the inventory, how many, and the brand. So basically I need you to do these over. If you have any questions, let me know. Thank you. Also, remember when running it, you want to put the reviews. Like when you go and you do this or whatever, you want to put the reviews, and then you also want to grab all the variations. Thank you.